Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the organizer account signed in and two-factor authentication active. Once those are ready, open Settings or the Family Sharing section in your store app. Tap Add Family or Set up Family Sharing. Follow prompts to invite members by email or device. Make sure every invitee accepts on their device. This step establishes a shared payment method and centralizes purchase approvals so purchases route through the organizer account. Once invites are accepted, continue into the family settings to enable purchase sharing. Tap the toggle to share purchases and select the payment method to be used for family purchases. Verify the card by following the verification prompt. Then configure controls. Enable Ask to Buy for child accounts or assign purchase approval to adults. You do this because it controls who can buy, prevents unexpected charges, and ensures purchases are billed to the organizer as intended. To finish, test by initiating a small purchase or checking family purchase history to confirm sharing is active. If a member's purchases are not shared, sign them out and back in or resend the invite. Sometimes accepting on the wrong account causes issues. If problems persist, verify that all accounts use the same region, that the payment method is valid, and that two-factor authentication remains enabled. These are common blockers that prevent purchase sharing from functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.